Have you ever unloaded your dishwasher to find your dishes looking like this instead of this? This is no good, right? Water spots, white film. For one thing, a lot of times here in America, we use way too much detergent, and this can cause some of this buildup. Or it could just be that you've got hard water. Great way to solve this is with the Norwex Magnet Ball. Okay, so what this does is the water passes through this. It naturally softens your water, removing the minerals that cause buildup on your dishes and in your machines. You can use this in both your dishwasher. You just put that little loop right on the bottom rack in your dishwasher and just let it stay there, do its thing. You can also use it inside your toilet tanks, and if you have a top-loading washing machine, you can also put it inside your top-loading washing machine. So magnet balls are a great way to save the extra work and hassle of your dishes looking like this, bringing them to a beautiful crystal shine, and also helps with that buildup that happens in the toilet bowl. This in your toilet tank will help to remove the minerals that are sitting there in your toilet tank so that it helps keep your toilet clean. Definite score, right? All right, yay for the magnet ball.